In this video, I'll show you how to convert a string to Kebab-Case. So we'll start with the implementation of string to snake case that I've showed to you earlier. As a quick refresher, we basically take any character that has lowercase a to z, or 0 to 9, or uppercase a to z, followed by a space, followed by lowercase a to z, 0 to 9, and then uppercase a to z. So basically, it can be any letter or number, followed by a space, followed by any letter or number. And we're globally searching for that in our string of s that we are passing to the string to snake function. Once we find one or more matches, we're going to do the following with them. We will replace them with a replacement string, which basically uses the first grouping right here, so the exact same letter or number, then an underscore instead of this space, and finally the second grouping right here. And we're going to convert all of that to lowercase. So this was our string to snake implementation. Just to confirm that it works quickly, let's just pass in a string of, let's say, 1, 2, 3. And once we do that, we're indeed going to get this string to snake case conversion. Now, how do you do it to convert a string to kebab case? Well, it's actually really easy. First, we'll change the name of our function, string to kebab, and then let's also change it in the invocation. And finally, just one little change right here. Instead of using the underscore, we'll use the dash or hyphen, whichever way you prefer to name it or to call it. And now when we invoke our string to kebab function, we're going to get this easy conversion. Okay, so let's throw a bit of a curveball to the invocation right here, and let's say that we are passing it with a starting space character, and let's see what's going to happen. So this time we still have this, but it's disconverted, but it also keeps the space on the side. So how can you fix that? Well, basically you can use the trim method on the string. So let's quickly do it. We're just going to wrap all of this, and we're going to call the trim method on it. And let's see if that's going to work. And indeed, it does. But let's see if it's going to be working with a space as well. So let's now try it, and it does work. So that's it, an easy implementation of converting a string to a kebab case in JavaScript.